Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kshitij and thank you so much for tuning in. In my last video, I talked about the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. If you haven't checked it out, do so. I'll add it at the end of this video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about another Ferrari. The only problem is the car hasn't been revealed yet. Yeah, so we're going to jump into the future and talk about when the car is eventually revealed. Good news, the car has finally been revealed and here it is. And we will start with the name of it. So there were many rumors that this car may be called 8112 GTO or the 8112 TDF or the 8112 VS, which stands for Versione Speciale. But the end it is called, can we have a drum roll please? 8112 Competizione. So yeah, that's what it's called. The Competizione is a more hardcore, more lightweight version of the already bonkers 8112 Superfast, in which we'll go in further detail. So this car hosts a variety of new technologies for example, 4-wheel steering and the Ferrari side slip control 7.0, and also it has 38 kilogram weight saving, which is substantial in today's world. So let's talk about the styling of the car itself. So the Competizione hosts a variety of design changes, lots of intakes and vents. Starting from the front, you can see these two massive air intakes which helps to cool the massive V12 which sits behind it. Also, this extra bit here resembles quite like the Ferrari F12 TDF. One of the most interesting or the unique feature about this car is this massive carbon blade which runs along the hood of the car, which makes the car look shorter but more aggressive at the same time. Back here you can also see this carbon side skirts which helps to improve aerodynamics once again. And this rear glass also have been replaced with this aluminum structure, which are vortex generators, which helps to improve the aero efficiency of this car. Coming onto the rear of the car, you can see this circular shaped tail lights as seen in this regular 8112 Superfast, the new carbon fiber diffuser underneath, and this massive opening here for channeling of airflow from the car. Also, you can see that rear aluminum structure I was talking about, the vortex generators as they are called. This small antenna here, the Ferrari logo, and one of the most another unique feature about this car is, do you want to guess it what it can be? Any guesses? Nope. Okay, I'll share this with you. This is these rectangular shaped exhaust tailpipes at the either side of the car, which is quite insane and quite bold if you ask me. It looks quite amazing as well. Now coming on to the drivetrain of this car. Now this is the part of the video where you guys enjoy the most and I won't take any surprises away from you. Let's talk about the engine. So this car has the same 6.5 liter V12 as the 8112 Superfast, but in this one it produces 819 horsepower, which is 30 horsepower more than the 8112. Also, this car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds and on towards a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Also, get this guys, this engine produces 9,500 RPM, which is the highest revving road car ever made. Also, if you want to hear how this engine sounds or how the car goes, well, here you go. Now coming on to the interior of this car, as you would expect from such a hardcore car, you don't get much in the interior. Most of it is in Alcantara or carbon fiber, but you do get some creature comfort, for example digital display, carbon fiber steering wheel, air conditioning. Also you do get this secondary display screen for the passenger. Down there you can see this aluminum shift knob which is inspired from the Ferrari Roma and the SF90 Stradale. If you haven't checked my video on the SF90 Stradale, I'll add it at the top of this video. Do check it out. Coming to the end of this review, there's one more variant which you can go for, the 8112 Competizione, and it is called Competizione A, in which A stands for Aperta as previously seen in 458 Aperta and the LaFerrari Aperta. And to my mind, the 8112 Aperta or Competizione Aperta looks more beautiful to my mind. And it's the first time that I'm saying this, but I prefer the convertible version of a car than the hardtop. I usually prefer the hardtop version, like in the 675 LT, than the Spider. Also, if you want to see what specifications I went for this car, do follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do like this video and subscribe the channel. The channel now has 100 subscribers. Let's make it 100 more and hope for the best. Let's keep growing this channel. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.